The Lumberjack TS254SL, 10-inch table saw, with leg stand, a powerful 1800-watt, 240-volt motor, with fitted British standard plug. Dual-function rise and fall wheel for blade height and angle adjustment with angle locking knob. Max cutting depth, 80 mm at 0 degrees and 55 mm at 45. Overall table size with extension 730 by 430 mm. Easy to read measuring guide. Adjustable mitre guide and fence. Full table length rip fence. Dual dust extraction. Great for cutting MDF, chipboard, plywood, and 2x4s.